Got everything loaded up again. Just about to do some final checks. Make sure all this is tight. Got my safety chains on. Thing is looking good. Got a chain on the front. And
so after getting there, I didn't have too much time to record things like the driver's meeting in other people's cars because I was trying to get mine ready. I had to change the spark plugs and get a few other things wrapped up, and we got racing pretty quick. So I got in 7 runs. I think I only got recordings of 5 of them. The first one I didn't record as always because I just wanted to get my bearings all straight and everything. And there was one other that I didn't record because I had a boost problem that run. And yeah, so here we go. I'll be showing those runs right now.
whew.
No, it's ooh, nice. Woohoo! Nice.
You got him in mile an hour.
So yeah, I ended up going 159 miles an hour, which was 5 miles an hour faster than last time. So I'm really happy about that. It was either from the 50 more wheel horsepower in fourth, either short shifting third, which you kind of saw I was doing. I don't know if holding in third would have been better, or it might have been from the rolling anti-lag and starting in third. But either way, I'm pretty happy with how I'm running these races right now by starting in third with 14 PSI rolling anti-lag, and then trying to get through third as fast as possible and get right into fourth, because once I get into fourth, that gear is a wormhole. That thing just rips, and I can just put down so much power in that gear. But really happy with things. Probably going to be done roll racing for the season, and I want to try and do maybe another, some quarter mile stuff. And also I'm going to get it back on the dyno again one more time to try and fix the torque issues I was facing last time. And I think flattening out the torque instead of having a big peak is going to really help traction wise too in third gear. So stay tuned, and I'll try and keep posting more videos and do a little bit more work on the car. But I'm probably going to take a break for a couple weeks or so before I get it back on the dyno and get it to the quarter mile dragway and everything. So stay tuned, guys, and hope you enjoyed this video.